Good day everyone, I'm Giselle Bernales from BSED 4 Block 4 and today I will be having my teaching demonstration about argumentative essay. So let me start now. Good day class. Jenny, please lead the prayer. Okay, good morning once again. Now, how are you doing today? Very good that you are doing great today. Okay, before we sit down, please pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs and arrange it. Very good, everyone. Okay, now let's check your attendance. Very good, class. Everyone is present today. Okay, now let's have an activity first. So in your previous lessons, who here can remember what are the basic parts in writing an essay? Yes, Jenny? Very good, Jenny. So in writing an essay, the basic parts are introduction, body, and conclusion. So who here can tell me what are the characteristics of the three? Yes, Roxanne? Very good, Roxanne. Okay, now, as we proceed to the discussion today, let me group you into two groups. One is for girls and two is for boys. And I have here printed materials to give it to you, and each group will share each ideas on what are the paragraph is about, and the representative of the group will present it in the class. Okay. Now, in the paragraph below, what makes the selection above an example of argumentative essay? Can I have the girls first? Very good. So in your previous lessons on the different essay, how does an argumentative essay differ from them? Very good, very good. Now for the boys. What makes the selection above an example of argumentative essay, and how does an argumentative essay differ from them? Okay class, I am happy about the participation you brought to the class today. Now, as we proceed in our topic for today, for the learning objectives is for the students to be able to identify the parts and features of an argumentative essay, to compose an argumentative essay, and practice open-mindedness by writing an argumentation. Okay. So argumentative essay is an argumentative piece of writing, is sometimes called as persuasive writing because it aims to change the reader's mind by convincing the readers to change about a certain stand as a debatable issue. Or an argumentative essay tries to change the reader's mind by convincing the readers to argue with the writer's point of view. So an argumentative essay has its characteristics, which it introduces and explains the issue or case, and the reader needs to know what the issue is going to be. So, upon writing an argumentative essay, we have to follow the IBC structure, or the introduction, body, and conclusion. An introduction introduces the issue and it provides background information about your stand, while the body presents your arguments while acknowledging the opposing views, and in conclusion, it summarizes the areas of agreement, which is end on a positive note. So there are basic components in writing an argumentative essay. So the basic components are the claim, the reasons, the evidence, the counterclaim, and the rebuttal. So the claim, it is the position taken by the writer or what the writer is trying to prove. And it has 5 types: the definition, fact, cause and effect, value, and policy. While the reason, it is provided to support the claims, and the reason is also supported by the evidences. because the evidence is used to support the reasons. And next, the counterclaim and the rebuttal. So the counterclaim, it is the opposing position and the counter-argument. While the rebuttal, it is the refuses or disproves the counterclaim, which addresses the criticism of the claim. Now, here are a set of questions that the students should remember when writing these basic components. So in the claim is, what do I think? And the reasons is, why do I think it? The evidence is, how do I know? The counterclaim is, what is the reason? What is the other side? And the rebuttal is the response to the other side of the claim. Now, to further assist you of your knowledge about the discussion today, I will have here one question where you need to write the answer on a 1/2 sheet of paper, and I will be going to check it. Okay, the question is, what makes an argumentative essay different from the other essay? Okay, class, time's up. Give me your paper. Okay, so argumentative essay is different from the other essay because as it follows the IBC structure, or the introduction, body, and conclusion. It also has the basic components to be remembered to support your stand, and those basic components are the claim, the evidence, and the claim, the reasons, the evidence, the counterclaim, and the rebuttal. Okay, let's now have an assessment. Please copy these questions on a 1/2 sheet of paper and pass it today. Okay, done? Now, for your assignment, on a long bond paper, write an argumentative essay on any of the topics using the basic parts of an essay. The topics are Philippines and its disaster risk management used during typhoon, preventive measures against COVID-19, and Filipino students stand on distant learning. Okay, class, that's all for today, and goodbye, students.